Okay, so we got my 95 Subaru Sambar key truck and the temperature gauge is not working at all. When I turn it on, it kind of shudders a little bit, but it never warms up. So we're gonna see if we can take care of that today. All right, first thing we want to do is take our 4 bolts out of our engine cover, and we're just going to remove this. Okay, now that we have our engine cover off, I'm standing from the back side, and we're going to look for our temperature sensor, which is right here. This one goes to the gauge. We also have another temperature sensor right there, but this one is the one that we're looking for. It should only have one wire going to it, and we're going to take this off and we're going to clean up the contact and we're going to try it to see if that works. If not, then we're going to replace that. Okay, so I removed the connector. I got a little piece of sandpaper. I'm just going to clean up the contact right here. Let's see. Clean up both sides. And then we're going to reconnect this. Okay, and now we're gonna crank it up, see if the gauge works. All right, let's give it a shot. Okay, it doesn't seem to have worked. The engine is cold, but I mean, it didn't move at all, so let's go ahead and replace that sensor. Okay, I got the old one out, and you can see there was stuff built up on it, and actually when I pulled it out, a big clump of stuff fell out, so this was definitely the problem. So let's get our new one in there, and there's coolant in there, by the way, so let's get the new one in there and see what happens. All right, I got the new one there. Let's crank it up, see what happens. Always check neutral. This thing will fire up. All right, we're gonna give it a few minutes to let it warm up, see what happens. Okay, it's been just a couple of minutes and I can see that the gauge is actually starting to work. That's way more than it was doing before. It wasn't moving at all. It stayed way below where the C is, so I'm gonna call this a fix. I will share the part number right here. All right, for those of y'all interested in the part number, here it is, 17-1322. This came from O'Reilly's. It's a temperature sensor from O'Reilly's. So there you go. That definitely fixed the problem. And stay tuned for the next video. Thanks, bye.